Hi, this is Joy in your Happy Hobbies. Joy's Happy Hobbies. It's going to take me a little while to get used to this new name, but here I am. It's going to be a quick video. I just want to update you or give a progress report on some of the things I've been working on. The first one is the turkey drawing or turkey painting that I'm doing. I wanted to show you little details that I really didn't notice before until I started getting all the drills on there. I never noticed this house back here. There's a little house. And looking at this, I'm still not quite sure if these are birds or just leaves that are there. But yeah, I was like, wow, there's a house back there. And then they got the trees up in here with the yellow leaves. I've gotten, now you can see the turkey's tail. Nice bright red colors in between there. What else? The pumpkins on the bottom here. Pumpkins on the bottom. They're showing up nice and bright now. Yeah, it's all coming together. I really like the way it is. Of course, the drills aren't, from Diamond Art Club or Craftably or something. So, they're still, they're a little rough, but they've been going in pretty good. And I do have to go back and press some of the drills back in, like I said before. The other thing I noticed about this painting is really weird. When I started it this way because the picture of the painting's up here in the corner. So I started it this way. Well, I never paid attention that when I started it this way, that the numbers and symbols were all going in the right direction. Isn't that strange? Being sideways. Here's the sideways. Now when I'm working on it this way, this is funny. Working on it this way, the symbols are going sideways. That's crazy, isn't it? So the picture's facing the right way now. As you can see, the turkey's standing up and, whatever. But the drills are going sideways. So they printed it different than I'm used to. I just noticed that and how observant I am. Anyway, it's going along pretty good. I've got this little bit left. Whether I'm going to get it done for Thanksgiving is another question. I've really been trying to work hard on it. Let me get you a little further distance on it there. I'm trying to work on it hard. There, now you can see the whole thing.
You only got 2 days.
Yeah, well, now I'm changing it.
You're changing it.
You're right. Oh, I forgot to introduce my partner in crime, my hubby, Mike. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
And my dogs are down with me, too.
Hi, everyone.
Anyway, I'm kind of changing the date on this. I'm going to try to get it done at least by the 30th.
How about by Christmas?
No, it'll be before Christmas. Anyway, I got to start on another painting for Christmas, my Christmas delivery. I got to get that in the works and kitted up. So, hopefully I'll be getting this done by the end of the month. I've been working on it digitally. How do you say digitally? Digitally. There you go. Digitally. I am in the process. I think I mentioned it before that in all the white areas I'm putting 3865 ABs. So you can see the extra shine on there. Yeah. I always like to do that. My paintings put little extra stuff in there. Okay, so that's the turkey painting. This right here, you want to move this over, honey?
Yes, if I can get around with that.
Yeah, put this on my board. Be careful of the magnets on there. Okay, this I've been working on. My little Christmas gnomes. See? It's been fun. It's been quick. I've got, this last part to do here. Let me go ahead and move this closer up. There we go. The one thing I noticed about it, and it's really kind of frustrating me, is the glue is all the way to the edges here. All the way to the edges. So no matter where I put my hand when I'm working, I'm sticking to it. I try to get some Gooby Gone and alcohol and nail polish remover with a Q-tip to try to take out the glue on the edges and in between the plastic, but it won't come off. So that's the only thing that I really don't like about it, is it's just sticky everywhere. Everywhere I try to move, I'm sticking to it. But anyway, it's going to be really cute. And yes, here's the chain to hang it up. So I'm going to finish it, and then I'm gonna try it and see what happens. But it is really cute now that the drills are getting on there. See? I like it.
So those areas
So-
will always be sticky?
Yeah.
So it can be double as a flycatcher thing.
Yeah. A fly catcher. Yeah. Or I could just outline it with more drills.
There you go.
There you go. Make some gold crystals like
That
I
sounds
did
like
for
a
the
plan.
Santa Claus. Maybe I should do that.
Mhm.
Stick some drills on there. Well, we'll see. Once I finish it, if I do anything different to it, I'll let you see. Okay. Now let me put this over to the side. I'm still working on my stockings here. Trying to decide how to get some names on here. Now I've had different suggestions from people to go buy some more material like burlap and cut the letters out and glue them on. My husband had this idea. Okay, let me see the paper.
There.
Oh.
Oh, somebody would see that.
Oh, I was going to put the names and show you how I was going to do it, but then the people who are getting these, which they probably already know they're getting them if they're watching this video, to print it out. Let me see the back of the paper. Just print it out on paper here, like this, and the font that I want, and put it on. Okay, so let's see the Santa Claus. Put it onto the Santa Claus where you can see kind of a name there. I don't know if you can see through. Put it on there like that, and like take a pencil and dot through the shape of the name, the font, the letters there, and then like with a thin black marker. I don't know if that'll work, but anyway. And then once I get the black marker dots on here, then I can. I bought some of this liquid stitch, and I'll put that on here and try to glue some sparkly or nice color crystal drills on there. I'll see what happens. It's an experiment, and like I said before, I am not a crafty person. We just get these ideas and I'll see if they work. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to keep the stockings for myself. Yeah. All right. So I'm still working on this, and I'll let you know what happens to that. It's a work in progress. Oh, whip. Yeah. There we go. And I just also want to remind you of the giveaway that we're having. These are all the little goodies that are going to be coming with it, with some probably surprises with it. Anything that I'm missing out on? No, my husband's back there. He's on the quiet side again tonight. Huh?
Really?
Really? So I just wanted to remind everybody to go to the video of kickoff to a new name, and as long you make a comment, as long as you put yes in there, you are included in the
Entered to win.
you are entered to win. Yeah, I get a loss of words on these things. I'm doing a video. So I just wanted to remind you of that and show you the nice little gift. I'll have the picture of this setup in the upper part of the video. I'll even put the other video in the corner there so you can click on it if you haven't seen it yet. My drawing for names will be on Saturday, the Saturday right after Thanksgiving, so that's what, the 25th, 26th, 27th, the 27th. I'm not sure, what time I'm going to do it, but you'll see the video come up, and we're going to do it by, I don't know, random selection, or maybe I'll write all the names out that I put yes in the comments and fold them up, put them in a jar, and have my husband pick a name. Whichever I decide, you're going to find out. I will announce who has won it. But it's a really nice setup. Oh, you know, the one thing I didn't show you on the first video is just how the pillowcase is. It's a vinyl. It's a vinyl pillowcase on this side, where, you know, the stickies where the drills are. But when you turn it over, it's a really nice soft, like a felt or a cotton, like a sock material or something. It's very nice. So it'll be really nice to put as a nice decoration on your couch or your chair. Pardon?
It's like felt.
It looks like felt. You think that's felt? All the dog hair will be off of it when you get it.
No guarantees.
We live with hair here, all kinds of dog hair, black hair and yellow hair.
My hair.
His hair, my hair. Anyway, so I just wanted to update you on everything. Show you what I'm doing. Some of the new projects that I'm going to start, I'll probably do at the first of the year. Once I get all this holiday and Christmas stuff out of the way. Then I know I've got some embroidery kits here already. I got to paint by numbers, and I'm expecting my latch hook rug to come in here probably tomorrow. So I also do have some 3D Christmas cards that I haven't done yet. I ordered those at the beginning of the year. So I'm going to work on those on one of the whip chats. Just to, you know, show you how they're getting put together, because there's little pieces that stand up, you know, and all kinds of stuff on it. So, okay, so don't forget, put your yes in the comment on my previous video. I will put the link up in the iNotes here. Also, subscribe, hit the bell so you get more videos. And like. Simple as that. Okay?
Catch you next time.
Catch you next time. All right. See ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.